What's up? How are you? What's happening? Example. Hey, Sarah, what's up? Haven't seen you in a while. Long time no see. It's been a while since we last met. Example. Long time no see. How have you been? I'm beat. I'm tired. Example. I can't go out tonight. I'm beat from work. Let's grab a bite. Let's get something to eat. Example. I'm hungry. Let's grab a bite at the burger joint. Hang in there. Don't give up. Keep going. Example. I know it's tough, but hang in there. You'll get through it. Piece of cake. Something easy to do. Example. Don't worry about the exam. It'll be a piece of cake. Hit the hay. Go to bed or sleep. Example. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the hay early tonight. No way. Expression of disbelief or surprise. Example. You got tickets to the concert? No way. It's no biggie. It's not a big deal. Example. Sorry I'm late. It's no biggie. We just got here. What a small world. Expressing surprise at a coincidence. Example. You know John too? What a small world. I'm on it. I'll take care of it. Example. Could you pick up some groceries? Sure, I'm on it. My bad. My mistake, I'm sorry. Example. I forgot to call you back. My bad. Just wing it. Do something without preparation. Example. I didn't study for the presentation, I'll just have to wing it. It's a no-brainer. A decision or choice that's obvious or easy. Example. Choosing the beach for our vacation is a no-brainer. I'm all ears. I'm listening attentively. Example. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. Chill out. Relax, calm down. Example. Don't stress about it. Just chill out. Bottoms up. Let's drink. Cheers. Example. Here's to a great night. Bottoms up. That's the ticket. That's exactly what's needed or wanted. Example. A hot bath after a long day. That's the ticket. Don't sweat it. Don't worry about it. Example. I can't find my keys. Don't sweat it. They'll turn up. Break a leg. Good luck. Example. You're going to nail that audition. Break a leg. Bite the bullet. Face a difficult situation with courage. Example. I have to tell my boss I'm quitting. Time to bite the bullet. Cut to the chase. Get to the point. Example. Stop rambling and cut to the chase. What's the plan? I'm in the zone. Completely focused or performing at one's best. Example. I finished the report in record time. I was in the zone. It's a long shot. Unlikely to succeed. Example. Trying to convince him to lend us money is a long shot. Go the extra mile. Put in extra effort. Example. She always goes the extra mile to help her friends. That's the last straw. The final unacceptable thing in a series. Example. You broke my favorite mug. That's the last straw. Buckle up. Get ready or prepare for something. Example. We're about to start the roller coaster. Buckle up. Let's hit the road. Let's start our journey or leave. Example. We've got everything we need. Let's hit the road. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm not feeling well. Example. I won't be coming to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. That's a bummer. That's unfortunate or disappointing. Example. The concert got canceled? That's a real bummer. Sorry, I spaced out. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Example. Could you repeat that? Sorry, I spaced out for a moment. That's not my cup of tea. That's not something I enjoy or prefer. Example. Do you want to go skydiving? No thanks, it's not my cup of tea. Keep your chin up. Stay positive or optimistic. Example. I know things are tough right now, but keep your chin up. Let's call it a day. Let's finish working for today. Example. It's getting late. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. I'm all set. I'm ready, everything's prepared. Example, are you ready to go? Yep, I'm all set. That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's just how things happen sometimes. Example, I didn't get the promotion. Well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. You snooze, you lose. Act quickly or you'll miss out. Example, I hesitated on buying the concert tickets, and now they're sold out. You snooze, you lose. Take a rain check. Postpone an invitation to a later time. Example, I can't make it to dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check? I'm bushed. I'm exhausted. Example, after the hike, I was completely bushed. Don't hold your breath. Don't expect something to happen soon or at all. Example, I've been waiting for that package for weeks. Don't hold your breath. It's coming from overseas. It's a no-brainer. It's obvious or easy to understand. Example, deciding to take the job offer was a no-brainer. I'm feeling on top of the world. I'm extremely happy or successful. Example, after winning the competition, I was feeling on top of the world. It's a piece of cake. It's very easy. Example, don't worry about the test. It's going to be a piece of cake.